Hey, Mr. Vegas. I thought that was you.
Oh, yeah.
Out for a ride?
Yeah. So you recognize the shirt
I
this morning?
recognize your shirt. I saw your video this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, happy St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, yeah, little green beer. So,
I saw your son playing.
oh, my son?
He's very good.
Yeah, so, well,
Does he play any other instruments?
yeah. Yes and no. I have to tell you a story.
Oh, I would like to.
Yeah, so that's old video from like, I don't know, 10 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, when I made him play harmonica, but he also started guitar because I made him. He really didn't want. He's like 11 years old, so I buy him a guitar. And I said, when you're 17, you will thank me because all girls are gonna be all over you. But he's 11, he doesn't care about girls, you know. So I had to trick him. So I said, I have a friend, Marie, coming from Portland, and we were then at in Palm Springs. So she's coming from Portland, and I told him, Marie, when she was young, she was in love with Neil Young, and she wanted to marry Neil Young. She's 19 and has hopes. And Neil Young was pretty like a girl. So David Crosby even said, Neil is so pretty like a girl, you want to kiss him. And so Marie loves Neil Young. So I told to my son, I said, if you learn a song like, let's say, Heart of Gold, the famous Neil Young hit, if you learn that one, and when Marie comes and you start playing, she's gonna give you $100. He goes, really? I said, maybe even 200. So I found the YouTube video and somebody showing. My son at that moment didn't know even all chords. He just had like 2 lessons 2 weeks before that. So he was practicing using the YouTube video. I got him harmonica and the rack to hold harmonica, and he doesn't want to practice. So I said, just go in your room, do 10 minutes. And he unwillingly go and does it, you know. Then 2 hours later, I said, every 2 hours, 10 minutes only. So 2 hours later, he does another 10 minutes, and like that. So next day, actually, he goes like, oh, it's 2 hours after, so I'm gonna go practice.
On his own.
On his own. And he stays like 45 minutes or the whole hour. Because now all that start making sense and it sounds like something. So he did it for 4 days. That was Tuesday when we started. Marie is coming on Saturday, and he was practicing and practicing and practicing. And when she came, he played the song. Had a couple little mistakes because it's still only 4 days. But the thing is blowing harmonica and playing guitar at
That's
the same
amazing.
moment.
That's
And
amazing.
he's only 11 years old. So later he told me, well, she didn't give me $100, but that's okay. He said, that's okay.
He forgave her.
Yeah, so that's the story about my son playing guitar. And he's really naturally talented. You can see in this little video that how easy for him is, those chord changes and stuff that he learned only in 4 days from YouTube video. Never
That's
practiced
amazing.
anything before that, and I just got him the guitar. And later he kept playing, but nothing significant. He's not in a rock band yet.
Not
Maybe,
yet.
yeah.
Yeah, keep hoping.
So that's the story. So, what's your website?
Oh, Romany Life.
Romany Life.
Yeah, Romany Life.
Did I ever tag you on Facebook for using gypsy word?
No.
There was some woman got irritating me.
I don't think
We're
it was me.
gypsy and gypsy and gypsy.
No.
You don't have a clue what gypsy and gypsy life is. It's required to steal horses,
We steal all the time.
pickpockets, and stuff. It's not just some romantic thing and traveling around.
Oh,
No,
yes.
they travel because they run away from police
Because
and
they're
they steal.
running.
I
I
grew up
know.
with gypsies,
It's
so I
true.
attacked her and I didn't.
I know the whole song, Gypsys, Tramps, and Thieves, that Cher sings. I know the whole song by heart.
You do?
So I figure
Yeah.
I'm a gypsy now.
Oh, that's good enough.
Yeah.
And I
We hear it from
actually
the people of the town. They
I
call
actually approve you using the Roma or gypsy
Okay.
gypsy.
us. Romany
so
Life.
you are,
yeah. Okay.
RomanyLife.com. So you are officially approved by Mr.
Thank you.
Vegas.
Well,
to-
that makes me feel better. Thank you.